my hair today. I'm headed to go grocery shopping today because we need food. So yeah, today we are grocery shopping. Let me sit up a little bit. I basically buy a lot of like vegetables because I'm doing a lot of juicing. And we stopped eating meat. Like, I'll eat meat if I go out with friends. The most part, like 80-90% of the time, I'm pretty much not eating like meat. And we haven't been eating like any fish or anything like that either. So it's pretty much just like vegan, vegetarian, sometimes alkaline vegan meals. We about to go to the stove. So I am like extremely tired from my class, although I did really good today, y'all, because when I say I've been working my freaking butt off in this class, like I have been working my butt off. If you've ever tried silks, like aerial silks, they say that's the hardest one, and they definitely are telling the truth because it is not easy. Like, it's really not easy. Get some grapes. I already got some honeydew melon. I'm about to grab some grapes. I don't really eat papaya, but Samaya might want cantaloupe, so I guess I'm gonna get some cantaloupe too. Okay, so I have never tried mellow, so I'm gonna try one. I think that's how you say it. Alright, you already know what time it is, so I am about to grab me some mushrooms for the meals that I'm making this week. So the meals that I'm making, I am going to need like some shiitake mushrooms. I'm going to need some regular portobello mushrooms. Ooh, I want to try these big ones. I'm going to try these big ones up here. And then I need some oyster mushrooms. I don't know where the shiitake mushrooms are. I feel like they're normally over here. Oh, they already have king oyster mushroom sliced. Okay. There's maitake. I actually do like maitake. Okay, and then I'm about to grab some of these big king oyster mushrooms. Alright, can y'all name these things? Because I don't know what half this stuff is. I don't know if there's a name. Oh, I know what the jimika is because I actually need those. Oh, and a coconut. I know what these two are. I don't know what that is though. Get it. It'll be alright. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff that I was able to get. This stuff came up to $115. So this is my first time getting burdock. I don't know what I'm about to do with this. I know I'm gonna put some in the tea, but I'm not for sure what else I'm gonna use it for. I have to look up like some recipes or something. So yeah, this will just be kind of like staying over here. So I got the portobello mushrooms. Y'all saw the mushrooms that I got. I want to try this. It's a coconut that already has been punctured, so it comes with a straw. So I'm definitely gonna drink some of that so I can get hydrated. Y'all already know we about to be juicing. So, and all of this is for 2 people. So I just spent $115. I think the only things left that I need to get are like maybe 3 to 4 things from Target. But yeah, this is for a full week for 2 people. And like I just said, $115. So I got some of these cactus pears because I will be making my own juice. So that's what these are for. I got some romaine lettuce that I'll be chopping up for salad. I got some silver beets. Or no, this is green chard, not the silver beet one. But this is the green chard. I put this in my juice, one of my juices. Okay, y'all already saw these. I got me some plum tomatoes, some butternut squash. I got some spaghetti squash. I can get this out of here. And y'all saw me get that pomelo. Well, this says pomelo, so I don't know. I'm curious to see what this tastes like. If I'm being honest, I've never had one of these, so hopefully I like it, because then that'll be a new fruit that I like. What else we got? Of course, we have our baby bananas. Gonna make a couple things with these and just eat them as they are. Oh, honeydew melon, the grapes. What else we got up in here? We have the coyotes. I will be making, that's a Mexican, I don't know if it's I guess a Mexican vegetable fruit, I'm not for sure. But I do really, really like how those taste. Some broccoli. And I can eat a little bit of broccoli at a time. I can't just like pig out and just eat like a ton of broccoli, or my stomach will hurt. And this is just some jackfruit in a can, some vinegar, and a big old bottle of sriracha, because if you are big on sriracha, or if you notice, you cannot find this anywhere. Like literally, it's so hard to find. Like especially this brand. Okay, and for the last bag, we have our king mushroom, baby. Shout out to the king mushroom. We have zucchini. We have bok choy. I really, really like eating these. That's not a part of the alkaline diet. Some of this stuff isn't. So that's why I said it's kind of like a mixture. But as you guys see, there are no meat, no fish, none of those products. And then I got some okra, because I'll probably be making like some spicy pickled okra or something. And then I might try like, I think it's like a Nigerian dish or something, from Brew Bunny. I really, really enjoy his videos, y'all. Like, he be making some bomb food. So, again, this is literally all of the things. Let's do a close-up on it. All this stuff I got for $115 for 2 people, and this is about to last us for the week. Right, and I'll just put everything in there because I'm gonna have to make all this stuff tomorrow. But the fridge still looks pretty full. All right, we're about to see what this is talking about. So remove the seal. Turn it is. Y'all are struggling. All right, y'all, we about to see if the coconut water that you buy from, that I'll be buying from 7-Eleven is the real stuff. Oh, shoot, I done broke the damn straw. Dang. Let's try this. It's a lot sweeter. It tastes good. Thumbs up, baby. Oh, come on. All right, I'm gonna pour this into a glass. I don't think that's. Gotta do what you gotta do. I have made my meal. I'm eating the rest of the stuff from last night. And I'm about to grub. So I will see y'all next time. Peace.